Hello guys, today I'm in my bedroom, like always, and today if you're wondering how to make this, you might need some colors too. I'll show you how to color at the end. So if you want to try to make this, you need to grab a paper plate, okay? This is an example. Hold. I have lots of paper plates, right? This is that line. Oh, sorry, this is a scrap. Okay. So you're going to hold a paper plate like this. You're going to put it down, and you're going to grab a pen. Make sure it's not open. No, I meant. You're going to grab a pen. You're going to draw a mouth. Wait, let me show you. I'm going to draw a mouth. Is that good? Good. Okay, that's enough. And then, I know this looks silly, but still, I just thought of the idea and wanted to do it. I'm like, wait, I should do this for YouTube. And then you're going to make two ginormous plates. Two ginormous size. Alright. And then, boom, you're going to put your pen like this. Close your pen, then to get your scissors in. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you what the stuff we need. We need scissors. Please do this with a parent. If you need to, be careful. There's little kids watching this, and I do not want them getting hurt. So once you're done with this, you're gonna grab your pen, close it. See how nothing's coming out? So close it, and wait, this might be hard, but we're gonna push your pen through the plate like this. You're gonna push it like that. And you're gonna grab your scissors. Wait, let me see something. Oh, I see for that little hole. Wait. Hello, Pinky. Okay. And do something. Wait. Okay, then you're gonna grab your scissors. Look. Okay. Wait. We're gonna grab your scissors, put your scissors through that hole, and cut. Okay. So go around the outline, cut on the outline. Then when you're done, you should have a circle that looks like this. Or if you don't, it's fine. This is an easy process, so, yeah, it's easy. So, right, turn the camera around, and look at that. Oh, look at that. I need two more things to do. Actually, no, more than that, but doesn't matter. Okay, so once you're done with this, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay? It's easier when no one's watching you because I get scared, but comment down below what's your favorite, most fear. I would have to say, like, I don't actually know. Like, I don't actually know. But I have no idea what I should do next time. So comment down below what's your biggest fear and what should I do next for my next video. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna cut lines. Whoever's watching this, say hi. No, wait. Whoever's watching this, click the bell, subscribe, and yeah. I usually say that at the end, but I think this video might be a little long. I have no idea. When you're done, I'm gonna do this. But don't worry if you don't have the pen cut out all the way, because look, we're gonna put it like this. So look, see that outside of the rim like this? I'm gonna put it like this and no one will see you. Meow meow, Mr. Kitty. At the end, this is gonna be like a mask. We're gonna put a pen. We're gonna do the same thing that you did to the eye. We're gonna push. Sorry guys. A hole through the mouth and then do the same thing. Okay? So when you're done with the mouth, just wait for me. Okay? Or if I'm gonna see, I'm already done. If you're not done, I'm gonna wait. So this is how it should look like. Wow. So keep it on. You need to put, wait, I forget. Okay, wait, we need a nose hole. Do the same thing, but you're gonna poke the pen through here. So put it on the table or your bed. It's easier on the bed. It's harder, actually. Ow! Okay, wait. Please don't mess up your fingers. I have no idea, but if you can't do it, don't do it, okay? I don't want your help messing up. Guys, don't do it. Don't do it. No nose hole, okay? No who's hole. Okay. Oh, if you don't want to, but. Okay, guys. I got it. Meow, meow. I'm going to cut that a little bigger. If you did it, just, wait, cut it a little bigger. Make sure you're doing this with a pen. Or a parent's. Please be doing this with parents. Oh, and I forgot to say my intro. My intro, I just made up a new intro. What's up, guys? Like it? Or comment down below what I should do for my intros. Okay? Just comment down anyone. Just comment down which ones I should do. And then I'll do them, right? After this, I need to blow my nose, but not right in the video. Yes, this video's being long. It's already 7 minutes in. Sorry, guys. Cleaning up scraps. Okay. So, when you're done with that, it should look like this. What? Okay. Now, when you're done with that, it should look like this. Yeah. And then we're gonna put holes. Let me show you. Wait. Make sure you have string for this too. This should be good. Then make a hole in your paper. Wait, what? Okay, wait. Okay, good. Okay, when you're done with that, make a hole in your plate. Make it a little bigger. I'm doing it like this so you can see. It's so hard. Okay. Ah! Oh, wait. And this is for the strings, and I made it too big. Just put a hole through it. Okay? Don't need to cut it. Oh, that's too small. Now I just need to do another diamond. Never mind. It'll look like this, but not these big egg holes. Or too small of a hole. My nose is like running. Like, I don't know if I should be doing a video right now, but I had no choice. Like mostly every Sunday or Saturday I'll post a video. Actually, every week I have no idea. But you're gonna put the string in there, and then gonna do this. you're gonna put string. No, wait. We're gonna turn it like this. Wait. We're gonna turn it like this. Once you have done it like this, put string through. Wait, I want to use my purple string. Alright, put your string through. I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, go right here, then bring it through the other loop. Then keep it like so. Make sure it's not too big. Just check it. Make sure it can fit. Okay. That's good. Just do what I did, and then flip it. And you're going to tie the strings. Don't know how to tie this, me either, but just do your best. Please just do your best. Never give up. Just never give up. We're going to tie it to, wait, guys, if you have trouble, just tie it to the mouth. Put it through the thingy-majig. I have no idea. Don't copy it, because if I mess up, it's my fault. And I don't want you messing up. Actually, wait. I just had an idea. Okay. Sorry, just let parents do this. Okay. Took me like an hour, but I'm almost done. It didn't take me an hour. I'm just trying to be dramatic. And if you want to see this, comment down below. 12 minutes have been by, and like, sorry if this video is long. This video is horrible, and this is all I came up with. Tie it to the nose. And then do the same thing with the other loop, with the other one, with the other one, but this one might be harder. Okay, got it? Double knot it. No bunny ears, then I'll just mess with it. Then you just do it again. The thing. I have no idea what I'm copying. Don't copy this. Okay? Just in case. Then if you have extra strings, meow meow. Meow meow. What's up, guys? Wait, what's up, guys? Wait. What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. That is pretty awesome. Now, you're just going to cut the string off. We're going to cut the loose pieces like this off. Got it? Got it. Just want it. This looks awesome. Sorry, guys. Okay, when you're done, try it on. Like, this looks awesome. And if it falls off, doesn't matter. It still looks awesome. Oh, if it falls off, put if you're a girl doing this, put your hair back, and then grab this. My hair. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Put the things on your ears. Please, it looks like I have a mustache. Okay, I'd rather this for boys because it looks like you have a mustache, and I don't want this to be a mustache, but sorry. Peace. Peace. Bye. Love you guys, and subscribe, and check out my friend's channel. And I've been saying it on other channels, but I don't need to say it in this one. Check out my friend's channel, and she's kind of being rude about my channel. She's saying it's not good. It doesn't have that many subscribers, Because, yeah, you don't like my videos, but it doesn't matter. Friends don't do that. But I just have to deal with it. Bye, guys. Love you.